Step 1. It's important to wear safety gloves and have a spill kit nearby to protect yourself, as oil is a dangerous substance. If you have a barrel key, use the hook to peel back both red caps on the lid of the barrel. Don't worry if you don't have access to a barrel key. You can also use some pliers, these will work in the same way. Next, using either the barrel key or a spanner, turn the silver cap anti-clockwise. It will start to become loose. Keep going until it comes off. Then do the same with the smaller white cap. This needs to be open too, to let air into the barrel. Without this, you won't be able to pump the oil out. Now it's time to assemble the pump. There are 3 parts to this: the pump part, a long silver telescopic tube, and the arched metal nozzle. Take the silver tube and pull it to open it up. Then, insert the tube into the bottom of the pump. Ideally, you should use some grips to make sure it's tightly on and secure. This is to avoid any oil leaking out. Once the metal tube is firmly inside the pump, pull it out and place it into the barrel opening, making sure the bottom of the tube is touching the base of the barrel. Screw it on tightly so the pump is firmly attached to the barrel. Then attach the curved nozzle and screw it into the pump. Again, ideally using some grips. It's important here to ensure that the gasket attached to the curved part of the pump is inside the curved part. Once secure, you're ready to pump and go.